Okay, here are the holes left over from the old analog gauges, the knot meter and the depth gauge holes. They did a little damage to the gel coat when they put them in, so I took them out, cut some plywood. It's not marine ply, so they put some layer of glass, fiberglass on the top side. Cut them out for the holes. Give them a little bit of a bevel, so it's a little smaller on the inside edge than the outside. You can see that or not, but yeah. And we just knock those in, make sure they fit nicely. Make sure they fit in there, and then I'll put some epoxy, put a little bit of glass around it, stuff it in the hole, let that go off, and then sand it flat. And then I'm putting HydroTurf on this whole section here. So this will all be a piece of white or gray HydroTurf, because it really is a backrest more than anything. And then I don't have to re-gel coat this area, so both sides are going to be HydroTurf. This has got a little flaw right there. There was a inclinometer, you know, those little black instruments with the curved tube with the yellow fluid in it and the little ball bearing. Shows you how much what angle of fuel you're on. Well, that was sitting on there forever, and took that off, so it discolored the gel coat. Even after sanding and compounding, it's still there. And it's dirty right now, but that's all polished up. Anyway, I'm covering that up with the HydroTurf, which is a closed cell foam that they use on lots of stuff now, but when it was first came on the market, 20 years ago, they used to make kits for jet skis, for the stand-up jet skis, and then the sit-down skis, and it's where wherever your feet would be. It just gives you better grip. It's UV stable, and yeah, I've used it before on other boats, and it's great stuff. Easy to apply, easy to cut. Just I'll make another video when I fit that stuff later. Okay, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.